Our planet is the greatest living puzzle in the universe. A collection of worlds within worlds. Each one a self-contained ecosystem bursting with life. But how do they work? The intricate web of relationships and the influence of natural forces makes each micro-world complex and unique. So to discover their secrets, we need to explore them one by one, untangle their interlocking pieces, and ultimately reveal the vital piece, the key to life itself, hidden deep within each of nature's micro-worlds. Our most northern microworld sits well within the Arctic Circle. The Arctic, at the top of our planet, is covered in a permanent cap of ice. This close to the North Pole, the sea is nearly always frozen. Temperatures can be well below -50. In winter, the sun does not rise for 3.5 months, staying just below the horizon and casting everything in an eerie blue half-light. Even when the sun does appear above the horizon, for much of the year the rays are too weak to be any use for primary production. But there is one area of the Arctic Circle that's different. Our microworld of the extreme north. Svalbard. It looks barren, but in Svalbard there are more polar bears than humans. It's home to the most northerly population of large herbivores in the world. And for its latitude, it's unusually rich in life. So what makes Svalbard so different to the rest of the Arctic? To understand this, we need to look at what makes this microworld tick, unravel the working parts that make this place so special, both the animals and